cinema nationwide. We're cinema nationwide. It's really dark here. Now it's light again. Just a picture. Please. So we're gonna go at the Toys R Us. Yay! Sure. Okay. Let's do this. Wow. Look at them. Tsaka kayo do. Going to Toys R Us. There's a restaurant. Chubby. Chubby people. We're going in. See? We're going in. We're going into Toys R Us. So, ready? Ready? Let's go. This is the moment. This is the moment we go to Toys R Us. This is the moment. This is the moment we go to Toys R Us. So, let's run. Let's run, guys. Let's run, guys. Hannah. Okay, we just stopped and we're going to Toys R Us. Mag-tour. Let's go to Toys R Us. We're gonna tour the Toys R Us, so let's go. Told you. Look at these cute animals. Vanessa. Wait. Hannah. Press up. Ayan, bida ko dyan nila, ha? Guys. Ay, kabuhat. Friend to siya ko, mama. Wala lang na ako. Nasa ko ingon ka, ate, ha? Dili na ako ingon ni ate. Ayaw na, dili na lang, be. What's that mean? What do you say? Sorry, guys. But we can go to this World of Fire. Yeah, we can go to Mang Inasal and we can watch the beauty contest. Watch it, guys. Blooming here. So let's go. So we're heading back. Sports Brothers. Let's store them here. Actually, guys, I have a musical. Let's go over there. Never been over there, so let's tour them. We're going to the right place. This is the night where you shop. Want to go to Cinema Nationwide again? What? What? What did you say? You know what's the movie? Yeah. So Let's go to the bathroom. Let's tour them to the bathroom. Okay. Sa put ato doon yung mansion. We're gonna go. Ato doon yung house. We're gonna go to the bathroom of our house. Yeah, we had a really big house. Especially when if I had a birthday, there's so many people coming in. Okay. Tour them. Hannah. He's really watching the Emoji Movie. Look at this movie. Let's go inside. No, we promised him to tour the bathroom. Let's go. Wait lang. No, we have a plan. Kung maabot like 6 subscribers, i-tour na to sila sa bathroom. Okay, you say that.
I have a promise to show.
If we get 6 subscribers,
We will gonna tour you at the bathroom at our house.
yeah. See you guys next week.
No, don't off it.
Okay, I'm sorry guys. It's not the ending. So, we are still going down, right?
This sound is for our event at the.
Yeah. If we earn 6 subscribers, we're gonna tour your bathroom.
So let's go to the stores.
Yeah.
Just joking, guys.
This is our nothing. These we keep our earrings or anything. That's pretty cold.
That's our old shoes.
Okay, where are we gonna tour here? Mercury. We don't have Mercury in our house. It's just a clinic.
Yes.
And we have so many maids and bodyguards. Just Frankie's. Just Frankie's.
We have a salon.
So, right.
We have a salon here. Look at our Mercury dog.
There's a Mercury dog. So we're heading back to our bedroom. That was the longest tour.
Our bedroom has a
Wait,
store over
let's go
there.
to the food court.
But if we have 10 subscribers, we're
Yeah, if we have 10 subscribers, we're gonna go to the food court later. And then we're gonna finish the whole upstairs with 20 subscribers, I think. Asa na po ganun video?
This is nice. Okay.
No, dili na to yan ang video. Ato na yun yung
So that's our version.
this is our part 1 at the mansion house. We'll see you guys and bye.